Okay, so we're with Meetal today. She's just completed our 6-week challenge, and she's going to tell you a little bit about how she's got on and what she enjoyed with it all. So, Meetal, did you want to just tell everyone a little bit about where you were at when you started with us?
Okay, so I started the program 7 months postpartum after having my second baby, and I just wanted to find a program that would help me get my energy levels back, because with 2 kids it was really difficult and constantly being tired. So I went on this program for 6 weeks, and it's just been life-changing for myself and my husband. We've been eating really clean, following the nutrition guide, and it's been really helpful to have something there to look at, to figure out what we're eating throughout the day. And the workouts have been amazing. It's got me back to how I used to feel before I had children. I used to work out a lot, and the short 30-minute programs are amazing because you don't feel like you've wasted too much time just working out. You've worked out and you feel really great about yourself, and gets you really started for the day. And yeah, it's just been really good. So for those moms who want to get into shape or get their energy levels back, I've surely received that, and yeah, I can carry both my children without feeling breathless.
Definitely an important part.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And is there any one bit of it that you would say has been complicated in any way, shape or form?
I wouldn't say complicated. I mean, sometimes you find like you've got a lot of food in your fridge and you're like, you need to use all of that up. But that's the only that's not even an issue. That's just overthinking of what to eat. But other than that, like, we've just been referring back to the nutrition guide that Nick's been giving to us, and we've followed it quite closely as possible. And yeah, it's worked really well for us.
Good. Brilliant. Well done on your results as well.
Thank you.